Have you ever wondered how Magento Dropshipping could benefit your e-commerce business? Well, you are in the right place. In today's video, explore its benefits, potential challenges, and how to set it up efficiently. Magento Dropshipping is a popular business model which simplifies e-commerce, manages inventory, and expands product lines. Here's how it works. You list items for sale on your online store, and when an order is placed, you send the order details to the supplier who delivers it to your customer. Magento is the favored choice for dropshipping due to zero commission fees, transparent billing, self-hosting advantages, unlimited orders, personalization options, and the potential for multi-channel expansion. Let's look at some of the benefits of Magento Dropshipping. 1. Simplified order fulfillment. Your supplier handles packing and shipping, saving you time and effort. Next, diverse products. Access to a supplier's broad inventory lets you offer a vast selection to customers. Location independence. Operate your business from anywhere as suppliers directly ship products to customers. Lastly, enhanced scalability. Supplier handles workload increases so your business can grow without additional stress. But dropshipping isn't without potential challenges. Let's dive into some you might encounter. Dropshipping's easy entry attracts many businesses, leading to fierce competition. Lower overhead often results in thin profit margins. Fluctuating product availability can take time to track. Lastly, dependency on suppliers. Suppliers' performance directly affects customer satisfaction and your brand's reputation. Let's look at integration methods for Magento 2 Dropship. Integrate dropshipping extensions, manually dropshipping, or use multi-channel platform solutions. If you're a business looking to start a dropshipping model with Magento, we've got clear-cut steps. Choose your business idea, analyze competitors, opt for a Magento supplier, import products to your e-commerce, and promote your business. You can also leverage popular dropshipping marketplaces in Magento for a broader reach and a wider product offering. Some top ones include VitaXL, AliExpress, and Dropship Zone. Magento Dropshipping offers an efficient way to deal with complex logistics and shipping concerns. However, it also demands meticulous planning and execution. We hope this guide has helped you understand Magento Dropshipping better. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them in the comments section below. We love hearing from you. That's all for now. Stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.